first leadership team meeting, when I started there, a teacher looked at me and said, "Are you going to be here next year?" Like, that was our first conversation. And so it wasn't about kids. It wasn't about education. It was just a little bit of cynicism.
That is Dr. Danny Steele, former principal, 2016 Alabama Secondary Principal of the Year, and a leader who spent 31 years serving schools. He walked into a school where trust had eroded and leadership turnover had created skepticism.
There's this adage that kids don't care how much you know until they know how much you care about them as students. That same truth applies to leadership. They don't care how much knowledge you have until they know you care about them as people.
He breaks down why culture is built in small moments, why caring for teachers changes everything, and how leadership shifts when you see your true mission as serving the adults who serve the children.
When you become an administrator, a school leader, your mission changes, and your new job is to make a difference for the adults in the building.
Today, he outlines a mindset shift that transformed his leadership journey from his first principalship. By the end of this conversation, you will learn how to rebuild trust, reignite purpose, and create a culture where both educators and students thrive. I'm Dr. Matthew Flippin, and this is Transformational Educators.